Okay, good morning YouTubers. We are now doing our drains, ready to build up. I'll probably start this afternoon, but we've just got to get these drains connected, backfilled, and then we can build up. But just showing you, as we've come round, wherever there's a bend, we have to put a little inspection chamber. So on each corner we've got inspection chambers. I'll just show you down there. So to return it round here, we're going to connect to the existing. So we're going to use one of these universal connectors. Okay, so it's old to new. So this will fit over this cap. I'll show you. I've got to cut it out. So we've exposed it. They generally go on like that, but because we tie it up against the wall, I've got to cut it back because it's in line, get it in line with this. So I'm going to cut this out now. So start on that, and then we'll come back to you in a minute. You see a bit of filming. Might have to bring it a little bit further out to there. Okay, we'll come back to you when we've joined it up. Take some getting in, don't they? If you find that the pipes are tight and they don't go together properly, then you can always use some lubrication. We've found that we can use a bit of WD-40. That is lubricating oil. It works perfect. Right, there we go, all connected up, and notice that we've got pea gravel all around the drains, and that is to give it a cushion and to protect it and to hold it all together strong. Good morning, another video vlog on the extension. Right, we're putting our damp courses on. Got our cavity tray ready, so I'm going to put a damp course on first, then the cavity tray over, and the cavity tray is cut so it comes over like this over the edge on the top of our damp course. Just I'm going to bed on slightly, a very thin bed, and then we've got cavity damp course into the cavity to stop any damp coming through. You don't have to do that, I don't suppose, but we've done it. Or you can put them on these, but we put cruise one in just to show you. So I'm going to set this out now and put my damp course on, and then start laying, and we'll come back to you when we start putting our profiles up, and we'll get a laser level on and get our levels across to our profiles. Okay, catch you in the build. Okay, what I'm doing here is putting a very thin bed on the brick first, and just pressing in the damp course. If you've noticed on the damp course, it's got ridged pieces on each side. That is to give a grip onto the mortar below and on the mortar above, and so technically the building can slide about on this damp course, so it's gripped. So we put a very thin bed on so it's not bringing your brick up too high, so that it's got something to grip to. And same down there. I'm going to do the same down here now. Now to start laying, and this is how we go about it on this extension. So I'll get a brick on there, we'll level them through, and down there level that one in. So if I put a brick on now, and then I will level it through to this one here using the laser level. This is a first for me. What I'm doing here, I am laying the first brick up to the damp course height, getting it level through to that, and then I can transfer that level all the way around this building using the laser level. Okay, now that we've established our levels all the way around, we can now gauge off our profiles and then run our lines through, and we can start to raise the superstructure up off the damp course. Here we go. we're back on to our extension here in Warrington on this wraparound, and I'm just trying to get it up to lintel height. We've had the hot weather, now we've got the rain. But let me just explain something here. As I'm just getting it up to wall plate, we broke into the roof here, found the existing wall plate. I can't show you now because of the rain, but we found the existing wall plate, and we've measured and got the heights, got that correct, and then hopefully on Monday, because I'm Saturday today, I'm going to bring that through and have the wall plate on. I'm going to pick my own wall plate this time, because every time I get it sent and delivered it's bent, twisted and warped. So you better go in and check it yourself and make sure that it's good and straight. Anyway, this is where we're at now. Just trying to get it up here and then down here. Just started to rain. Great.